Melody and Milan's Adventures. Everyone, today we're going to be opening. What are we going to be opening, Milan?
Nintendo.
Nintendo.
Nintendo, oh yeah, it is.
With two other CDs. What are these called?
I'm most talking to reminds of those sounds of Ryan's race calls.
Yes, Race with Ryan.
I've got them.
And the reason why there's confetti on the ground is because, well, this is my brother's birthday, and that's why we have lots of stuff to open up. So, let's open this up. Do you want me to do it for you?
Yeah.
It's so hard.
I don't want you to cut your hand.
Yeah.
It's like, oh, I didn't like to pull that up.
And just keep. How do I open? Oh, there we go.
Oh,
And it says the instructions on there. Let's open this up. It's heavy. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay, look, be careful with that.
Why?
Because it's like an iPad, Milan. It could get broke really easily. Let's open this up. Can you find a way?
No, that's soda. Kameramian.
You call him
Kameramian. I was just finding videos.
This is a video too. Okay.
Oh, it's a real video.
Okay. Yes. Of course it is. Okay. Whoa. Show them this.
It's a real Nintendo.
A real. Ah! Oh! Did it break?
No, it didn't. Can you see?
Yeah. How do we turn this on?
How do we? No, I see a tiny button.
Open that. Nintendo has the sign of Nintendo. So is this.
Look, Nintendo Switch. Great Switch.
And it's in the color teal or blue. I like that.
I love.
That's awesome.
What?
So, we need help with this. How do we get this?
How do we get this?
You can talk. You can talk.
Cameraman?
Yeah.
Okay, show the games and then I'm gonna cut the video. We'll do on the next video.
Okay. So, here are the what?
Let's go to games.
So to cut this part out. Cut
Okay,
this part
okay,
out.
I will. Show the game.
Okay. Here are the games. So these are Race with Ryan and Animal Crossing New Horizons. Welcome to
Okay,
Animal.
show it again. Don't move fast. Okay,
Okay.
now the other one.
Sorry. Okay. And
Okay,
Race with
that's
Ryan.
Okay.
Now let's start.
Finish the video now.
Now let's start this one. This is really cool. Okay, so what do we pull?